OnePlus just released their second phone in 2022, the OnePlus ACE. It's also likely going to be rebranded as the OnePlus 10R for the global market. Well, to be honest, it's the first time we feel that it's very difficult to review a phone because we really don't want to waste your time reviewing a clone model that we have reviewed before. Anyway, let's unbox the phone first and check out what exactly the phone looks like. OnePlus still uses its classic red box packaging, but it looks like they've given up on putting their slogan print on the packaging. There's no more, there's never settle branding. Open it and you will see the phone inside. It's not as exciting as before. No, we really have mixed feelings with this one. Look at this model, the Realme GT Neo 3 150-watt version, powered by Dimensity 8100 chip. And look at this one, the brand new OnePlus ACE, also powered by the 8100 chip. The only difference is that OnePlus claims to have used a maxed version, but I'm sure you know there's actually not much difference between them. What's funny is that they even share the entire camera module with the internal component arrangement. They have the same IMX766 sensor with OIS, the same 8-megapixel wide-angle camera, and the 2-megapixel same macro lens. In fact, they share almost all the same hardware apart from the appearance cover, so I won't list their comments here. Well, the new appearance looks fine, but there's not much to add. The design looks rigid and both the frame and back cover are made of plastic material. Compared to the previous OnePlus digital series, the 3-stage slider is no longer present on the ACE, which was a design that OnePlus used to be proud of. In addition to very similar phone itself, you will find the exact same 150-watt fast charger as we found in the Realme GT Neo 3's box. So that's it for the video. We agree that the OnePlus ACE has excellent value for money, but at the same time the phone is likely the least OnePlus-like model in the brand's history. Anyway, if you are interested in this phone, you can check out our review and comparison of the Realme GT Neo 3, though they might be slightly different in UI and performance strategy. We really hope that the slogan will return one day, at least on their packaging. Thank you for watching our shortest unboxing and review of a model on our channel.